Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my November 2019 The Witch's Bounty box. I'm not wearing my mitt today. It's not because I'm better. It's because my old one is not sticking anymore, so I need to buy another one tomorrow. But my son is in bed behind me. He promises to be quiet. So let's see how this goes. Came in that mailer for discussion. This is just for transparency. This is a gift from the Witch's Moon. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Very excited. I've been wearing the jewelry, the Belemite pendant, basically everywhere since I got it. It went with me to China and it was a lifesaver for a lot of reasons. The raven I'm saving for ritual work, but I have been sick and not really in a good place to do that. But I'll keep you guys updated. Anyway, smells very good. What I can smell because I am sick. So let's check it out. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Ouroboros, very nice. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is the art. It's got, of course it's beautiful and it's got all the information. Ooh, got some different packing materials today. I love, this is what smells good. Smells good. Beautiful pendant. So I'm on the larger side, and these kind of fit me. They fit me, but they fit like very high on my neck. Which, you know, it's not usually where I like to wear my pendants, so I wear them with a piece of rawhide or a different chain. I could show you guys in a different video, but I keep these because they're so cute, and I really like the colors that I've gotten so far. Plus, you guys know I keep everything. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. I don't know if you could see this, but it's so cool. Can you see that? That's so cool. Wow. I love it. Oh my goodness. So cool. I have no idea what it is, but it's really cool. Okay. Got an oil, Ouroboros. Lots of good stuff in there. Let's give her a sniff. Ooh, it smells like heaven. Look at all that good. There's a special word for the stuff that's left in here, but I don't remember it. Got ourselves a little candle. It's green. I don't know where the knife is, which is why I'm not cutting things.
Stop moving.
I'm filming, honey.
I want to get out.
Let's see. I'm just butchering this. Ah, gotcha. It's a beautiful green. Almost like a teal green. Alright. Beautiful padded black box. Oh, look at you. Beautiful. I don't know why, but the first thing I felt was Slytherin because of the silver and green. But let me get a closer look at this. It's got like a little green gem here. There's the snake eating its tail. Very, very, very beautiful. It's heavy. Let's read a little bit. There are many internal struggles that we work to subside and work through on our daily journey. This comes from the natural urge to shed bad habits, past negative influences, and relationships that no longer serve our higher good. As we work with the powerful and ancient symbol of the Ouroboros, we are reminded that these natural processes are meant to be and are a part of our existence. We resonate deeply with the iconic symbol of the serpent dragon eating its own tail as it brings us a sense of understanding and peace. We begin to fuse our conscious and unconscious minds, embracing differences and transcending duality that may arise within our internal surroundings. These ideas bring us to a state of understanding that may provide insight on prominent decisions and challenges that stand before us. In this very important collection, we work with these energies to become more aware and knowledgeable about the cyclic patterns that work through and around us. The magical items in this box are as follows. A 0.925 solid silver Ouroboros pendant with emerald inlay. This custom silver Ouroboros pendant was designed and created for this very collection, exclusively for the scriber of the Witch's Bounty. As one of the most ancient mystical symbols in the world, the Ouroboros carries with it many teachings and ideas that have been passed down through the societies in many cultures. The sacred symbol of the serpent dragon devouring its own tail was first used by the ancient Egyptians as a representation of the sun, arriving and descending each day. Almost all ideals regarding the Ouroboros have been provided within the same understanding. Within our practice, we resonate deeply with the lessons of renewal and shedding of the skin. As we work to grow and ascend on our path, it is vital that we are prepared to let go of preconceived thoughts and judgments regarding the world around us. This practice provides us with the ability to continue on our natural cycle of constant birth, death, and rebirth. As we work to refine and sharpen our ability to transcend duality, we begin to become aware and cognizant of the true nature that surrounds us. Allow the energies of this powerful symbol to resonate within your current stresses and challenges. We have used 0.925 silver for the serpent to bring energies into balance, constant and unwavering. As stated within the Silver and Emerald Goddess Book of Silver and Emerald Goddess Book of Shadows artwork, the metal of intuition, silver regulates emotions and enhances psychic ability, introspection, and mystery. Silver amplifies astral vibrations and aids in harmonizing imbalanced energies. Silver provides powerful regenerative, emotional, mental, and spiritual properties. Inlaid within the veil of this Ouroboros pendant sits the emerald, the stone of the heart chakra and higher existence. Emerald renews dwindled reserves of hope, patience, kindness, and compassion. It strengthens the transcendental memory of past, present, and future, and promotes spiritual transmutation. As you allow the symbolism of the Ouroboros to accompany you on your journey, allow its energy to guide you through more enlightened points of view, bringing your strength and energetic influence to its peak. Affirmation. I resonate with the energy of renewal, allowing myself to flow freely through the natural transitions that are meant to be. Ouroboros Magical Anointing Oil. Ooh, there we go. The Ouroboros Magical Anointing Oil has been created with the pure intention of bringing the energy of unity and fluidity into your aura and sacred space so that you may walk a more transcended path. Use this energy as you work through seemingly difficult challenges and crossroads. As you cultivate your energy each day, allowing this anointing oil to be your champion or companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work, knowing that your journey is filled with truth. We have enchanted this oil with oils of rosemary, peppermint, and cedarwood, as well as a special mixture of our as above, so below magical oil, along with mugwort and damiana. We have included Lemurian mini quartz, said to teach oneness and used to clear all chakras. Anoint your candles, jewelry, and skin. Blue sage bundle. Easy, baby. Naturally imbued with robust healing and protective properties, the blue sage is a wonderful addition to your pre-ritual practices. As you allow the smoke from the blue sage to waft throughout your surroundings, allow any negative thoughts and attachments to be carried away, allowing you to truly focus on the development of your craft and ritual work. Transcendence mini spell candle. We have hand rolled this spell candle with the intention of assisting you in rising above the conflict between light and dark. As you work within both of these energetic aspects, we begin to understand the importance of both. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize all mental and physical chatter slowly disappearing until you stand silent. Hold on, bud. Stand amidst this stepping stone while meditating or anointing your Ouroboros pendant. Just 1 second. Sorry about that. It's bedtime here. So, let's see. Aura coated chalcedony. I'm not sure what if I'm saying that correctly, but it's a very cool stone. I believe it's similar to peacock ore, or is peacock ore. I'm not sure. To accompany you on the path, we've included an aura coated chalcedony. This chalcedony was included with the intention of bringing calmness to your aura and inner vibrations, so that you may focus clearly on your objectives. And then the silver and emerald goddess book of shadows artwork. We are so thrilled to be able to include a goddess artwork within this collection, resonating with both silver and emerald. This piece of artwork is exclusive to this box and will not be available for purchase. Here's the thing. Very, very cool. I love it. This is a really high-end box. A lot of value. So a very beautiful, high-end pendant. Beautiful crystal. Something to hang it on. You have your bundle, your smoke bundle. It's really cool oil and it smells amazing. Rosemary and cedar and peppermint are some of my favorite herbs. Candle, Book of Shadows artwork, very cool. I love it. It's awesome. I highly recommend this box to you. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you guys can check it out. But frankly, any of their Witches Moon boxes are amazing. I get them all. They're all great. And they don't really overlap, so they're all completely different. So you can get one and be completely set for the month. Or you can get all three and they wouldn't overlap. So you'd have all different, like a wide variety. So you could check them out side by side. In my monthly side by side video, I show you all three boxes by the Witches Moon right next to each other, and I talk to you about price ranges. So check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. 2 giveaways coming up soon. The one for my 1-year anniversary in October, I'm still tallying that up, but that's coming soon. There's going to be my 800 subscriber giveaway. I'm at 819. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And also I'll be doing my side-by-side for the month coming up really soon, as well as a whole bunch of VRs and some other cool stuff. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this box. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to see in the future, let me know. I can also do a little video with some stuff I got from China if you guys are interested, or if you want to hear about that. I can do a live and you can ask me questions. Let me know if that sounds interesting. Love you guys. Good night.